A Cambria County family still looking for answers nearly 1 week after their dog was taken from their front porch by a humane officer in another county. The family says they were only told yesterday the dog had passed away at a local shelter, and they say they were not given a reason why. Maria Miller has been following this story. She's live now with the latest. Maria?
Well, Jen, the family tells us they picked up their dog from the shelter and brought him straight to the vet, only to find out he was frozen solid. So they still don't know how or even when he died. While they wait on answers, their attorney is debating whether or not to file suit. Less than a week after their dog of 15 years was taken from their porch, and only 24 hours since they learned he died, Chris and Renee Myers are struggling to find answers. GALLITZIN Borough Police Chief Gerald Hagen wasn't willing to go on camera Tuesday, but told us when he was called to the Myers' home last week, the dog was sickly and staggering, standing alone in puddles of vomit and feces on the porch. The Myers' admit Favre was old and had some health problems.
This is the dog that you can't really play with now. It's just the dog that you love.
The Myers stand by their claim that neighbors and family were caring for Favre while they were away. They don't believe police had any right going onto their property and stealing their dog, and the family's attorney agrees.
Dogs are treated as property in Pennsylvania, so it's not so much as from a legal standpoint, it's not so much as a kidnapping case as it would be a theft.
Attorney Paul Eckenrode confirmed the humane officers are not allowed to cross county lines and only have authority in the county they've been sworn in. And as we showed you on Monday, the Registry of Humane Officers in Pennsylvania only lists Paul Gottschall appointed in Blair and Center counties.
There's one exception, I believe, to that role, and that would be if they were appointed in one county, they could have their appointment recorded in another county, provided they also give notice to the district attorney's office in that county.
And so far, he told us there's no evidence that happened in Cambria County. Chief Hagen says he was unaware of the law and only cared about the dog, calling Officer Gottschall, who lives in GALLITZIN Borough, to help.
There are repercussions for officers who do not follow those rules. We're also going to flesh all of those out at some point in time in the near future here, and we'll go from there.
Now today, the Central Pennsylvania Humane Society would only tell us again its officer was assisting GALLITZIN Borough Police. The shelter said, quote, given the dog's physical condition, it was transported to the shelter for medical examination. They provided the dog shelter, water, and medical care. They said the dog's age and condition led to its passing. The shelter, however, would not confirm whether or not the death was natural, nor would it confirm when the dog died. As of now, police said they're still debating whether or not to file charges. In the meantime, the Myers had their vet send away blood work to see exactly what was in Favre's system when he died. Reporting live, Maria Miller, 6 News.